guys, get ready with me. Pupunta kami sa birthday ng aking pinsan. Kami-kami lang naman na magpipinsan yung andon, kaya simpleng ayos lang. So inuna ko na dyan yung aking pakilay. Next, para matakpan yung chismis, gumamit ako dyan ng Maybelline na liquid foundation. Kunti lang. Siyempre, ang di mawawala ang concealer. Mawala na lahat, hindi na yung concealer. Kasi feeling ko kapag na-concealer ako, ang bright ng mata ko. Tapos magpe-press powder lang tayo para maging maganda na yung ating pinaglalagay sa ating mukha. Charot. Siyempre, damay na natin yung liig dyan para pantay naman, ano? Next, ang ating pa-highlighter. Oh, kabog, may pa-highlighter. Ang ganda ng highlighter na to ng Villain Cosmetics. Tapos, sinahaluan ko siya ng fake highlighter ng anong brand niya, nakalimutan ko. At ito, last na, maglalagay na tayo ng lipstick gamit ang paborito kong lippy ng Maybelline. Ang ganda kasi nito, kahit kumain ka, hindi natatanggal. And that's it. Yun lang. O diba, sobrang bilis lang ng pag-aayos. At short hair naman tayo, kaya brush lang yan.
Three, two.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. But don't worry, be happy. In our life, we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.